Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our drive heading southbound on Interstate 95 through Georgia, a major highway that stretches from Maine to Florida, along the East Coast. This section of I-95 runs for about 112 miles, cutting through Georgia's scenic coastal region. As we drive, we'll pass by historic cities, sprawling marshlands, and beautiful waterways, all while following a route that has connected travelers for decades. Moving south, the landscape around us is part of Georgia's coastal plain, a low-lying region known for its dense pine forests, winding rivers, and salt marshes. This area is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including migratory birds and even the occasional alligator in the wetlands. The road itself is mostly flat, making for a smooth and relaxing drive, with long stretches of open highway and plenty of greenery on either side. Interstate 95 was constructed in Georgia during the 1960s and 1970s, becoming a vital corridor for both commercial trucks and road trippers. Before the interstate was built, travel along the East Coast relied on older highways like US Route 17, which ran parallel to today's I-95. The interstate made long-distance travel much faster and more efficient, allowing people to move easily between states without navigating local roads. As we continue south, we're approaching Savannah, one of the most famous cities in Georgia. If you take exit 99, you can connect to Interstate 16, which leads straight into downtown Savannah. Further south, we pass by Richmond Hill, a quiet town with ties to Henry Ford, who once built a winter retreat here in the early 1900s. As we approach Brunswick, we're getting closer to Georgia's Golden Isles, a group of barrier islands that include Street Simons Island, Jekyll Island, and Sea Island. If you take exit 36, you can head toward Brunswick and explore its historic downtown or continue on to the islands for a peaceful coastal escape. Driving further south, the landscape starts to change as we get closer to the Florida state line. The marshes and rivers become even more prominent, and the air feels warmer as we leave Georgia's coastline behind. Soon, we'll reach the St. Mary's River, which marks the border between Georgia and Florida. Whether you're traveling for business, or just enjoying the journey, this stretch of I-95 southbound offers a glimpse into Georgia's natural beauty and history. Thanks for joining us on this drive.
Thanks for watching!